Good morning, everybody. It is the first early morning trip of the new year, and I am excited. I'm freaking jacked right now. Apologize right now for the road noise, kind of bumpy road, but got an early start. I'm meeting John out at the lake right now. Dan's coming out as well. I think Dan's got a buddy with him too. So we're gonna get out there and we're gonna tear it up today, or give it our best shot. It is extremely foggy out. I mean, super foggy out. Already went to the gas station, already got some Monster, already, energied up, fired up. Give you guys a little bit of a story or background on this lake. This is the lake that I caught my current PB at, and it is a lake that will make you or it will break you. It is extremely tough. These fish out here are Florida strain fish, and colder water temps can really just shut them off. I mean, shut them off completely. But it can be a day that you go out and you absolutely tear it up. So what I'm hoping for today is hopefully around like 41, 42 degree water temps. We're coming off that big freeze, that big cold. So I don't know what today's going to be like, but we're going to get out there and we're going to give it, our best shot. I've only got a short amount of time to work with today. I got to get back into town. We got a friend's kid's birthday today. So that's what I got going on. So like I said, limited amount of time to try and put the pieces together and get the job done. But we are loaded up, and we're gonna give it our best shot. So come along with me, and let's see what we can get done today. Alright. You guys catch them all? Did you guys leave any for us? I'm sensing that I'm gonna get hung up, or I'm gonna get a fish. One or the other. It's all about positive outlook. Positivity breeds positivity. That's what I hear. That's what they say. Yeah, I'm headed to the ramp. Time check. Oh yeah. There is something between us and that spot though. Clarity's a little different out here, huh? Yeah. Like 12 feet here. Oh man. I suppose I should give an update of sorts. Now that we're out here and clothing is a little different. Like I told you guys this morning, had a birthday party to go to. So Our first stop this morning was a complete bust. I mean, nada. We're talking, it was 38 degrees, and kind of like I told you guys, those Florida strain just really shut off out there, especially in the cold water. And I think I only got one bite. John maybe got one bite. We don't know if it was sand bass, probably sand bass, but maybe crappie. But I went to the party and John relocated, and John said, hey, I moved and I'm still fishing. And I was like, well, hey, I'm done at the party and I want to be still fishing. So here we are. And John's caught one already. So I got to catch up. Whap. That's the kind of whap I like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, wings and pizza, nice. That's a good one too. I want to catch a fish up in the grass or in the open water. I gotta stop singing.
Of your
Whoa.
That's not where fish go.
That's not what fishing's about. Fishing is about having fun with your friends and developing lifelong relationships.
And your belly not hanging out on video.
Cast just to the right of it, but my line blew to the left of it.
Might be problematic. Hydromatic. Grease lightning.
That's a fish, buddy. That's a fish, buddy. That's a bass, buddy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, we got one. Oh yeah, we got one. It's the smallest of the day, and he is ice cold.
How cold?
Ice cold.
What's colder than cold?
Being real cool.
I believe it's ice cold.
Danker. Ding. Thank you for taking away my skunk. Bye-bye.
No skunk. Oh.
Team no skunk. Team. Oh, we got it again.
No,
oh, shoot. Dang.
Maybe that worked.
Maybe that's what I need to do, yeah. That little guy said, hey, that looks like a baby one of me. I'm going to eat him. I got one elite for frogging, one elite for flipping, punching. And then there's another one. Another soft little bite. Sorry. Kind of overreacted there. Soft little subtle bite. Another little guy. Oh, that's a crappie. I'm not going to do it. Yay, crappie. Yay.
I'm not going to do it.
Do I even know how to fish a rage bug anymore? Yeah, how do you do it?
It's still February.
Oh, that's how you fish a rage bug. Yes.
That's dumb. I just cast there like 50 freaking times.
Well, it wasn't the most eventful kind of day, but at least I didn't get skunked. At least I still have a good record for 2021 so far. Guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I've got to back John's truck in and get the boat loaded because he doesn't want to get in trouble with the wife, which is completely understandable. I get it. There's something on the lens right there. You can see it. It's better. All right, I'm out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Well, I don't know why you're still here, but I appreciate it. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.